Alright, you guys have been requesting for this for so long now, no? Today, and this is the first time na papanoorin ko to ever. We're going to react to Easy Meal and Pablo. This is their performance on Vibe Manila performance ng Gento and Panalo. Akon, the Superfan Tour. And this is from the channel Easy Meal Success Train. Okay, so I guess this is a Easy Meal fan channel. And you know what? Totoo, no? I mean, itong collaborate, actually apat nga sila dito, di ba? Meron pa si Glock9 and si Flo G. Right? But yeah, I mean, you guys have been requesting this specifically, Easy Meal and Pablo. If you guys want us to react to, you know, their performance with Glock9 and Flo G, we can as well. But this is specifically is the most requested, Easy Meal and Pablo. So, man, I'm really excited. I don't know kung paano ba mangyayari. Kakanta muna ng Panalo si Easy Meal, and then pasok is it like a mashup? Bila pasok ng Gento. I mean, I'm just excited though. Without no further ado, let's get it. Oh, we have Gento? Oh, wait. Is Easy Meal gonna sing Gento? Okay. So Easy Meal kakantahin yung Gento. So si Pablo kakantahin yung verse niya sa Panalo, ganun. Man, di ka talaga matatalo sa vocals ni Pablo, no? Rapping and singing, wala kang talo. I mean, same sa ni Easy Meal, no? Easy Meal can actually sing. You know, sa mga hindi masyadong makinig sa mga kanta ni Easy Meal. I mean, Easy Meal sumikat siya sa isa sa mga, you know, isang magaling na rapper, but Easy Meal can actually sing as well. Hey! Ano, kaya mo? Porsyento bawat bitaw ko. Please mo. Oh, shit! So ganda. What's this guy in the middle? Naglang solo guitar ni Easy Meal. Easy Meal is just one of a kind, man. Sobrang talentado, no? Let's go! Hey! Ang nakakatawa dito kasi this song, no, sa EP ni Easy Meal, I mean, unang lumabas to, hindi siya sobrang agad eh. I don't know if you guys are already following, sa mga nanonood na ng reaction natin na to, naka-follow na kayo kay Easy Meal before pa na pumutok yung pangalan niya, but I've been listening to Easy Meal since before, no? Na wala pa siyang Wish performance, no? Itong kantang to hindi pa sumisikat, but again, this is part of his EP. And I mean, I've been banging this song, no? Tapos bigla na lang sumikat, no? Biglang sumabog si Easy Meal ng biglaan, parang overnight lang, no? Parang si Easy Meal yung parang low-key na malupit na artist na pinapainggan mo. Biglang overnight, na ang laking artist na bigla, no? And then nag-sign siya ng record sa Interscope, right? With same label with Eminem. Not mistaken. Interscope ba? Interscope o ano? Forgot the name. Label. Ang galing, no? Verse ni Pablo, kanta ni Easy Meal, verse ni Easy Meal, kanta ni Pablo. Man. Respeto. Hey. Man. Nawala na yung mic ni Easy Meal. Hey. Oh, we have a solo guitar again. With Easy Meal. Hey. Hey. Let's go, man. This fucking guy. This is the better version of Lil Wayne. I mean, not in pero alam niyo yung video ni Lil Wayne na nagigitara siya. Electric guitar siya, kaso nga lang. Anyway. Alright, well again, that is Easy Meal and Pablo performed Kento and Panalo. Damn, man. Ano masasabi ko, napakaganda nung napakaganda nung yung again, verse ni Pablo, kanta ni Easy Meal, and then verse ni Easy Meal, kanta ni Pablo, sa Gento and sa Panalo, and you see the respect sa artist, no? Now I'm actually I wanna watch the performance na kasama si Glock 9 and si Flo G, no? Iba-ibang generation, iba-ibang corner ng hip-hop sa Pilipinas. Man, I want to watch that. I feel like I want to watch that right now. But anyway, hope that's the reaction for today, man. Sana gustuhan nyo yun. Leave a like and subscribe. Gusto mag-sabitin yung artist, man, singer, rapper, song, get it tayo dyan. Just comment down below. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. Peace.